No. Is it bath time? Bath time? No. No. Okay. You got it? You see it? Okay. Yeah. Oh, look how nice. Yes. Look, meow, look. Look. It's nice. Look, you have fun. We say no. Look. He's doing good. Don't get soap in his eyes though. That's alright. Like don't put anything close. No.
It sounds like weird, right?
No. It's okay. You can have video. You got a video. I'll watch your video. What's the matter, Mouse? No. It's okay. Is it bath time? Bath time. Look at that.
Say hi.
It's nice.
Wow.
You're doing so good. No.
Oh, that sounds so weird.
No.
I never heard a cat do this stuff.
Say no. It's okay. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how does he do that?
You got him? Yes, I know. It's okay. Meow. Almost done. You're good, right? Yes. Now, hold on. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I don't.
Yes. And we just rinse you off. We rinse you off. You're doing so. What a handsome boy. What a handsome boy. You're gonna take some? No.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you could do that.
No, I know.
It's like a talent.
No.
Oh my gosh, it's so creeping me out.
No.
No.
It's okay. No.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
It's so weird.
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. All right.
Oh my gosh. Oh, let's have a hug, huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Whoa.
Shut the bathroom door, because I gotta get rid of that.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
All right. Here's the towel I have.
Here, use this. Use this rag.
No, that one.
No, it'll be dirty here.
No, it's not. This is not. I have right there behind you. Look, right now, Mouse. No.
There's soap in there, right?
I know. I went to the office last night.
Is there soap in there?
A little.
Oh, he's so cute.
I don't know if I should put the hair dryer on.
No.
No.
Maybe should I get it hooked up?
Say yeah. Close your eyes. That's nice.
Oh, no, hold on, let me get his face. Let me get his face.
He likes it.
Say hello to YouTube.
No. No. You did good. You gonna hate me forever?
I'm naming this video, so.
You did good, my friend.
I'm gonna name it Cat in a Bath instead of in a hat. You know, something like that.
Yeah.
Woo.
It's okay.
This is the film room, and I also.
No. Yeah. You want treats after this? No. You don't want any treats after?
I'm
You
daring
don't
to
want
watch.
any treats, huh?
On YouTube.
No. don't make it too long, otherwise it won't go. Oh, Meow, no, we gotta get the hair dryer out so I can dry you off. So you're not cold, so it'll get too cold. Get the hair dryer. Get the hair dryer.
Where is it?
You can stop.
Where is it?
It's such a, oh no.